Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's yalon, and in today's video it's just another entrepreneur type video showing y'all what I'm doing today. It is Friday. It's finally the end of the week. Thank God. I am so tired. By the end of the week I'm always like super tired, but it's already 11:42 now, and I need to get up a 12 o'clock post for Lavish Curls. And if you guys didn't know, Lavish Curls is my online business. I make natural hair care products that help to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier. And then I also have a scalp psoriasis collection, which helps to remove flakes, reduce flare-ups, and continue to help your hair grow. Alright, so my camera had cut off, but anyways, I'm about to get ready to prepare a post, and then also I need to ship orders today, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, all of my labels are gonna be ready for pickup today. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of new inventory that I got in the mail, and yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill entrepreneur type vlog. Yeah, so my business Lavish Curls Beauty is almost at 1,000 followers on the Instagram page, so I'm super excited. It's at 916 right now, so hopefully by the end of the month or so, or next month, we can get to 1,000 followers. But yeah, I'm pretty much going to just speed up stuff and let you guys see me work and all that, yada yada. So today I'm going to be advertising one of my latest products. It's from the body collection. It's the body scrub. It's amazing for making your skin super soft, so I want to pretty much sell that and let them know like how the scrub makes you feel. So yeah. So yeah, this is a reel I actually recorded the other day and kind of forgot about. I just left it in my drafts, so I was like, okay, this is perfect, because I don't think I really advertised the macadamia scrub this week, so it's the perfect time to advertise it. So I just put our macadamia body scrub, leaves your skin feeling so soft and smooth with a hint of glow for the spring and summer. Definitely a must-have in your self-care routine. Available at lavishcurlsbeauty.com. Link in bio. And then I'm just gonna get my tags prepared. I'm gonna hit save draft. I'm gonna use some tags that I already had before under one of like these posts of the body scrub before, because it has the tags that are catered to like body care and scrubs and things like that. And then I'm just gonna go back to those drafts and add it. I know some people have like Planoly where what is it? Planoly where you can just easily put all your saved posts and then it'll automatically post it for you, but that's a monthly fee and I don't have that right now. But you can do like a free trial with Planoly, and I've done that before. But you know, I don't have no problem with doing pre-post, setting a timer, and then just posting when I need to. So like right now, because I will get distracted within these 10 minutes just working and losing track of time, so I just set my 12 o'clock alarm and then it'll go off and I'll just hit share and then I'm good to go. So yeah, and another thing I try to do every time that I post during my posting hours, like 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, sometimes 6 o'clock, I make sure I post an Instagram story as well, so that it pushes Lavish Curls back to the beginning of the timeline, so it's in people's head about Lavish Curls Beauty. So you kind of want to always get pushed back in front of the timeline. because if you don't post, then you're just gonna get lost in everybody else's posts on the timeline. So I like to do that. It helps with your algorithm. It helps with keeping you very consistent. So yeah, that's just something I do. And now I'm going to go ahead and start preparing these orders. And okay, so like this customer, they ordered 5 scalp psoriasis treatments. That's crazy. 5 of them. And I was up making scalp psoriasis treatment last night too, because I was like, I don't have enough to ship out today. So I was up making them last night so I could have enough. I'm just trying to figure out what box I want to ship this in, or if I want to do it in a padded. I might do a padded mailer for this, just the big one. It should fit 5. So I'm gonna do an 8.5 by 12 package. Yeah, this order was exciting. Let me set it up and then I can do like a little boomerang. That noise is so annoying. I gotta refill the roll, so I guess I'll show you guys how I refill the roll too. But yeah, I got my cute little boomerang. So cute. It's so important to get content, y'all, and content is like my favorite thing. Hence why I've been a YouTuber and stuff, content creation. Alright y'all, so I'm about to change the Dymo roll, but I am on the phone, so I'll just speed up this process so you don't have to listen to my phone call. And I do get these Dymo rolls off of Amazon because it is cheaper. It's Dymo compatible rolls. And they'll be linked in my Amazon store. You can find it in the link in the description box. Okay, so like I was alright, bye. So like I was telling you guys, I get easily distracted. My alarm for my Lavish Girls post just went off. So like I said, like I might end up on a phone call. Anything could happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that post now. So that's why I said it's important to start us set alarms, because as an entrepreneur, I feel like we have so much going on in our head and we end up getting distracted. So yeah, it's sharing now. And I'm almost done putting that roll in, but it's super simple, like you guys saw me doing. Like very easy. Perfect. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this is the last of this roll, but I also just bought another big roll. I get this from Office Depot. It's only like $15. A big roll like that's usually like 20 something, so I do save like $5. But I do believe you can possibly even get those cheaper on like yalon.com, so that's what I'm looking into next when I'm getting like packaging peanuts and bubble wrap. Is I'm gonna start looking into yalon.com as well as for like shipping tape. Thank you stickers are from Amazon, and fragile stickers are from Amazon as well. So I know somebody's gonna ask. And that stuff is linked in my description box, my Amazon store as well, so you guys can easily find it. As well as the Dymo label compatible printer, labels, and the Dymo printer. And the scale I use too. And I just bought more tape from Office Depot as well. I usually would buy like a roll of tape from, what is it, Staples, but Office Depot is a little cheaper. And I was also able to find like this whole pack for like $11, almost $12. Because usually just one roll is like $5, so tape can be expensive. So yeah, and I always look for like heavy duty tape, but this is what I got. And when you're like doing the orders where you have to put it in box, make sure you have a tape gun. It's gonna make it so much easier for you, like the cushion, the hole, like everything's gonna be easier. Last order, Friday's order was, Friday's shipment was a little smaller, bit easier because I've already shipped Monday and Wednesday as well, so now I'm shipping today. I ship 3 times a week just to get the orders out as fast as possible. Okay, so now this last order is priority. I love when they do priority because I get that packaging for free. And then so I'll just use the priority mailbox. And then also this order is from my hair growth collection, so they got a hair growth oil, a mango moisture twist and growth butter, and an aloe and fenugreek leave-in growth spritz. And my labels still aren't ready. They need to chop because these are the ones that aren't ready are labels I've ordered before, so it should be faster to print. And they already have all the labels that are new in their system printed, Like, I can go pick those up now, but it's like I'm not about to drive back and forth. Like, I'm waiting for everything to be ready. So they still have to get my moisture deep conditioner, the leave-in spray, and the mango moisture labels printed. And the website I use is youprinting.com, so you guys know that. I might go more in depth about labels, like how I order off Youprinting, because I kind of did a video before, but not like really in depth, like how I order, what type of labels, because all of these have a different type of label on them too. So yeah, I might show y'all that in another video, but I'm about to do this last order. With the leave-in, I always take some electrical tape with the shampoo as well, deep conditioner as well. Like anything that's more liquid, I will do electrical tape to seal it off. That's what I see other brands do. They get their electrical tape and just seal it off. It helps a lot. Mango butter, I don't do the electrical tape. It's butter, it's not moving around. And my hair growth foil, I don't do that. It doesn't need it. It's still pretty good. So okay, hey guys, so update. I dropped off orders and dang, I'm moving. I had to do a return at the mall, so I went to the mall real quick, and then I had to call Youprinting because they were taking forever to update my order, and it's because the last 2 labels were in transit. Sometimes they print from a different place and then they put it in transit to get to the location to actually pick up from. So I just called and my stuff should be there by 4, so I'm just gonna already head over there and drive because it's like a 20-minute drive. So by the time that my labels arrive, I should be there by the time they arrive. And so I just picked me up a smoothie for my drive. This is just a strawberry banana smoothie from McDonald's. And yeah, we're about to go pick up these labels. I'm excited because these labels are going to be for my new collection, my moisture collection that's gonna be launching next week. And then also what else, I picked up some of my old labels too because I just needed more. So yeah, I'm about to head there, and of course I'll take y'all with me, and then I'm probably gonna go to the